The health benefits of cheese. When it comes to cheese, there are numerous wholesome options to select from, and plenty of viable ways that it is able to advantage your fitness. It is a great supply of nutrients. Cheese is a remarkable source of calcium, fat and protein. It additionally incorporates high quantities of nutrients A and B12 at the site of zinc, phosphorus and riboflavin. According to U.S. Dairy, the general vitamins of conventional, natural, and grass-fed dairy products is the equal. Grass-fed cheese is made from the milk of 100% grass-fed animals. Grass-fed dairy foods can offer a more fit balance of omega-6 and omega-3 fatty acids than traditional dairy-based meals. Omega-3 fats are critical for coronary heart and metabolic fitness. At the same time as grass-fed dairy merchandise value more than the standard version, a few human beings can also select to purchase them for better omega-3 content. In addition, researchers wanted to apprehend whether or not the distinction in vitamins is large enough to yield significant advantages to the common American eating regimen. It could shield your teeth from cavities. In keeping with a few studies, cheese and dairy products in standard can paint to defend your enamel from cavities. In a 2015 Danish examine, toddlers who ate more dairy than common had been more likely to have cavities after 3 years than babies who ate much less than common. It is a supply of conjugated linoleic acid (CLA). Excessive fat cheeses together with blue cheese, Brie and cheddar comprise low amounts of conjugated linoleic acid (CLA). CLA is a wholesome fat that can help save you obesity and coronary heart ailment, and decrease inflammation. Cheddar cheese acquired from 100% grass-fed animals contained twice as much CLA as conventional cheddar. However, it's unclear whether or not replacing grass-fed cheese will bring typical dietary advantages to the common American food plan. It can be excellent in your coronary heart. In line with a 2018 Take a Look at, fermented dairy merchandise, including yogurt and cheese, have a fine effect on heart health. Inside the same Have a Look at, high-fat dairy merchandise offer greater fitness risks. Is cheese dependency bad? Knowing the professionals and cons of eating cheese assist you to make informed selections. Cheese may have facet outcomes if it's far contaminated, or when you have certain fitness situations or dietary necessities. Health situations and special diet. Cheese includes many essential vitamins. However, it is also greater in calories. Cheese is a high-calorie meals. Depending at the sort of cheese you devour, you have become approximately 100 calories in step with ounce. High in saturated fats. High fats cheese, consisting of saturated fats. Some professionals, even though no longer all, propose that you restrict the quantity of saturated fats. The amount of salt is high. It also typically contains sodium, which can be a hassle for human beings with high blood stress. Low in fiber. Cheese does no longer comprise fiber, and consuming a weight loss plan high in dairy products can motivate constipation. Allergic reactions and intolerance. Some humans avoid cheese because of conditions together with lactose intolerance or milk allergic reactions. Lactose intolerance. Cheese consists of lactose, a sugar that can't be digested by using. Folks who are lactose intolerant due to the fact their frame lacks the enzyme that breaks it down. In those cases, ingesting lactose can motivate digestive problems, along with gas, bloating and diarrhea. Thankfully, many corporations have low degrees of lactose in old cheese. Examples encompass Parmesan, Swiss and cheddar. People with lactose intolerance can tolerate small quantities of those cheeses. A few human beings can also use lactase capsules or drops to deal with the symptoms, but it's miles best to talk to a health practitioner earlier than attempting it. If making a decision to try lactase supplements, a pharmacist or registered dietitian will let you get started out. Milk hypersensitive reaction. People who are allergic to exploit or not able to eat cheese or different dairy meals. Milk hypersensitivity way that your frame has an immune reaction to one or greater proteins in milk, which includes casein. Casein is one of the main proteins located in milk, and it's also an ingredient in some soy primarily based cheeses. Symptoms of a milk allergic reaction can also seem early in life, before age 1. Although the symptoms vary, it could be deadly for some human beings. In general, cheese is a healthy and delicious source of many nutrients. For most people, a balanced diet may include cheese. Occasionally eating breakfast with cheese or chopping up your salad or sprinkling it on vegetables is unlikely to cause problems unless you have a lactose intolerance or milk allergy. But eating too much in a single meal is not recommended, no matter how much you like your Swiss or Brie. And if you usually combine cheese with processed foods such as pizza crust, pepperoni, or crackers, you may be canceling the benefits of cheese. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel, press bell icon for more informative videos.